Good morning. This study is about mixed language usage, a Filipino way of expressing ideas during English class. The study was conducted at the now National High School, the now Bulan, Sorsogon. English teachers believe that putting the language into practice in a form of communication will greatly help students to learn and develop skills in speaking English. Yet, the reality for many multilingual students, especially English language learners, has been that their home language are left at the classroom door or regarded as an obstacle to the development of language, of schooling and learning in general. The objective of the study aimed to identify the profile of the learners in terms of sex, age, and family background. Describe the effect of mixed language in English class in the now National High School. Propose the strategy addressing the mixed language usage in English class. The methodologies or method. The qualitative research, it is used to uncover trends in thought, opinions, and dive deeper into the problem. It is constructed question in the study focus on what factors affecting mixed language usage during English class of grade 8 student in the now National High School and how this gap can be addressed. Result and discussion. English teachers were asked what are the cause and effect of using mixed language. Teacher 1 cause much easier to deliver ideas to the student, while effect makes language use for better comprehension. What are the challenges faced by the teacher in their observance using mixed language? Students are less likely to be encouraged to use the English. What possible intervention plan may be proposed to lessen challenges? Answer: the student to use mixed language, however, let them translate those in English. The tables shows the response of 12 students from the online interview. From the question 1 to 3, students answered 100% yes. The questions are: do you find easy English class when teachers allow you to speak in your mother tongue? Do you take as opportunity to learn when teachers ask you to speak in English? And do you love English because it enhances your communication skills? The fourth question is: do you find difficult to speak English during English class? 75% of the respondent answered yes, while there are 25% answered no. From the question number 5, do you prefer using your mother tongue during English class? The responses is no. While in the question number 6, do you find difficult using English language when expressing your thought during recitation in English class? 100% of the students answered yes. There are several studies connection, connected with mixed languages. According to Baker and Moose, there are what have been called mixed languages whose sources are diverse and sometimes unknown. For the multilingual speaker, language choice is not only effective means of communication but also an act of identity by Lee Page and Tuberit Killer in 1985. Chican in 1989 acknowledged the tendency to take risks and its connection with achieving greater success in language learning. According to this researcher, if the learner have a positive beliefs and attitude towards certain language tasks, they may be willing to become a gambler in the game of language, to attempt to produce and interpret the language. According to Gardner, Lambert, and Brustol, as cited in Sten in 1987, suggests that there is a positive relation between learning outcomes and attitude towards learning a second or foreign language. Attitude are derived from values we ascribe to object or ideas. This study was carried out to investigate mixed language usage during English classes. To provide sufficient results, which proved the use of mixed language in expressing ideas during English. Here are the following strategies may help to lessen challenges in using language. We may still allow the student to use mixed language in expressing their thought. However, it would be better if the thought they utter in the Filipino will be translated immediately. Next, develop a house rule during class wherein the student can practice straight English.